Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Honda remote key fob. The battery is situated behind this panel here, so we need to remove it to gain access. We do so by getting a large flat-headed screwdriver, like this one, and then just in the indentation on the corner of the fob, we can put the blade of the screwdriver in, give it a twist, and it releases the case. And there is your key fob battery. We just get a smaller screwdriver and just get underneath it and just prise the battery from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just place it back into the housing, making sure on this key fob that the writing is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And we just simply get the other half of the case, make sure everything lines up, and we just click it back in place. And there you go, it's all done.